Hey guys, my name's Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around the Philippines, eating at different local restaurants, practicing my Tagalog. Today we are at Alva's Kainan, kung saan natatagpuan ang pinakamasarap na fried chicken sa buong Panglao. Masarap, sulit, tignan natin. Today, we have a very special treat. We're heading over to a carinderia that specializes in fried chicken. Not gura fried chicken lang. Before we do that, guys, I have a special surprise. We are going to take a small detour and go check out the chocolate hills of the Bohol region. I've only seen the chocolate hills in videos and pictures. I've never seen them in real life, so I'm very excited to share that with you guys. And then we're gonna have some delicious food here in Panglao. So, guys, let's go check out some chocolate hills, and then we'll get some food and let you know how it all is. Tara na, guys! Grabe, ang ganda. Guys, we're here at the Chocolate Hills. Walang lasang chocolate dito, guys.
Kuya Kurt.
Basta. May official na shoutout. Teka lang.
Shoutout sa taga Cebu.
Ay, taga Cebu!
Cebu at sa Bohol.
Sino ba yung gusto niyong batiin?
Ako ka Japan!
Ay, galing. Ito talaga si ate. Marasapan. Pag-start tayo? Sige, 5K lang. Joke lang. Basta ikaw, pwede.
Thank you!
Oh, wala nga naman po. The formation of these hills, guys. History has it. These hills were created before the arrival of the Spanish. May Kapal, the supreme deity of the Philippines, he had a bowl of candy, and this is where he dropped it. And the little candy chocolates turned into the mga burol dito. Joke lang, guys. They were actually formed by millions of years of erosion, winding its way down, smoothing over the hills, the wind, the rain, everything like that. Took its time smoothing the hills over. The chocolate hills comes from the dry season when they turned. You can see they're kind of turning a little brown and yellowish. And then it's during the rainy season when they're really green. The locals call them matcha hills, like the matcha. Okay guys, we're gonna head back down. We're gonna go get some food. I am starving. I'm ready to eat. So sama na, guys. Tara na, kain tayo. Kamusta, pre? Anong balita?
Okay lang.
Gusto mo nag-shoutout?
Shoutout ko niya malori na dyan.
Sama ka, kuya! mukhang artista.
Welcome to Panglao.
Anong maganda dito sa Bohol?
Maganda dito, babae.
Ayun, yung chicks, guys, chicks. Anong ginagawa nyo dyan? Tambay-tambay lang?
Tambay-tambay, mga cab driver kami dito.
Ay, galing! Hey guys, my name is Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around to different parts of the Philippines, eating at local restaurants, practicing my Tagalog and my limited Bisaya. Today we are dito sa harap ng Alva's Resto, Kainan, at iba pa. Kung saan natatagpuan, guys, nakikita nyo dito ang daming mga construction worker dito. Yung ibig sabihin, guys, kung dito sila kumakain kapag may lunch break, ibig sabihin, masarap at sulit ang pagkain. So, try natin, guys. Tignan natin kung anong meron sila sa menu. They've got fried chicken skin. Totoo ba yun? May chicken skin ba? Tapos meron din silang Alvaritos chicharon. Lahat-lahat meron sila dito, guys. Pati may mga ice cream, meron pa. Saan kayo nagwo-work? Sa kabila? Anong tinatayaw nyo dyan? Isa pang hotel? Grabe, ang dami mga hotel dito, no? You guys can see here inside of Alva's, it's very simple. Simple lang. Simple lang pero maganda. It gets the job done. So, Kuya looks pretty busy, so let's wait until some of the passers-by, some of the construction workers get their orders, because I don't want to get in their way, because lunchtime is limited. So I want to make sure that they get fed first. This construction worker has his shirt off. He's got ripped six-pack. Holy cow! He looks like a model. Sama ka, kuya! Ipikita natin yung six-pack mo sa mundo. Kuya did not find that funny. Anong balita, kuya?
Okay lang?
I'm trying to wait till Kuya has a break in between customers to put my order in, but like there's always more customers coming in.
One eternity later.
Kuya, ano ba yung sikat dito?
Sir,
Anong bestseller?
manok po po.
Pwedeng,
Fried chicken.
pwedeng 3 peraso ng fried chicken tapos kanin sa akin?
Okay.
Okay ba yun?
Okay.
Tapos yun lang siguro. Okay guys, we just put our order in for 3 pieces of chicken and some rice. We'll let Kuya do his job because he looks super... I know how it is. I used to run when I was a waiter, you have to run orders to and from the tables. A lot of times we would help the line cooks cook up food. Like if maybe they were like taking too long on the hamburgers, we'd have to help grill, fry up the French fries. Let's get the fan out. My Jisoo Life Ultra 2. This thing works wonders as a fly repellent. How is this? There's a girl that just walked up and she's wearing a hoodie. How on earth is that even possible? Ay, thank you, Kuya. All of your necessary cutlery is right here in the tubig. We got Alva's famous 3-piece chicken and kanin. We've got a drink coming. We're gonna set it right here in front of the fan so these flies can't get to it. Hey guys, my name's Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around the Philippines, eating at different local restaurants, practicing my Tagalog. Today we are at Alva's Kainan, kung saan natatagpuan ang pinakamasarap na fried chicken sa buong Panglao. Masarap, sulit, tignan natin. This is how you know this place is fantastic. Ang dami mga manggagawa. This is so many people. Holy cow. Baligtad kuya, ito yung harap. Oh, konti lang. Mas magaling ako Bisaya. Joke lang, wala akong alam sa Bisaya. Lamig kayo lang. Oo, yun lang. Ha? Italia? Hindi. Hindi ako Italian. Filipino ako. Di ba halata? Amerikano ako. Amerikano. Taga Utah. Ngayon, susubong ko yung chicken nila. Yung fried chicken. We have the fried chicken at Alva's. Alva's fried chicken dito sa Panglao. Oh my gosh. Better than Jollibee. Better than KFC. Nothing beats homemade fried chicken from loving hands. This is absolutely delicious. The flavoring. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this place is popular. We've got all the construction workers here. We've got construction workers here. Everyone's coming in for a quick bite to eat right around 11:30. Ay, thank you, kuya.
Malamig po to at saka nag-ice yung ano.
Ay, galing.
Opo.
Salamat, kuya. I've been eating rice for so long, guys. Now it's gotten to the point. Like an American, if you give an American a meal and there's no meat on the plate, most Americans would think, kulang yung pakain. Hindi kompleto. Without meat on the plate, it's kind of like an incomplete meal. Filipino mentality is, if there's no rice on the plate, hindi kompleto yung meal. Hindi sapat yung putahe. My mentality is kind of switched, where I'm like, there's meat on the plate, but there's no rice. So my American brain is slowly switching to the Pinoy side. Guys, I've got a personal issue. My ex-girlfriend and I, we broke up about 18 months ago. So we broke up, very amicable. But, after a week or two, she ended up unfriending me on social media. Long story short, she obviously knows everyone in my family, and she gets along with everyone in my family. But I'm starting to see my family posting on social media about her. Like they're sharing a story that she posted. More recently, she posted something and tagged my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law reposted it to her story, and I'm just like, I don't know if I should feel upset. I'm like, why are you guys, interacting with her online? We haven't even spoken in a year and a half. Because for me, I guess, if I have a family member, this has happened in reality, a family member and someone else, a family member breaks up with their significant other, who I have known the significant other for a long time. But when it comes to separation like that, obviously I choose my family over their former significant other. So I won't interact with them on social media or speak to them privately because I think that's disrespectful. So I guess I kind of just like expected like the same treatment, but I don't know. Am I dumb for feeling like weirded out by that or petty? Some members of my family still have like a relationship with my ex. I don't know. Is that weird, guys? Maybe I'm overreacting. I don't know. So I don't know. You guys tell me if I'm like overreacting and thinking too much about it. But obviously, you shouldn't be able to tell people who they can and can't interact with. But at the same time, it's like, why would you want to like interact with the ex significant other of a family member? I don't know. Maybe that's just my thinking, my mentality. I'm just like, wag na lang. It is tough though. Like if you've been together with someone for like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and then you break up. How does the rest of the family react? Do they like break up with her as well, or do they break up with that person as well? What do you do in that situation? That's just one of those social dynamics, family dynamics that's like so difficult to navigate. Let's pay. We're gonna leave Kuya with a 1,500 peso tip. Thanks to you guys. As always, guys, on this channel, we believe in sharing the wealth. Let's thank Kuya for his delicious food. Kuya, bayad po. Magkano yan sa akin, Kuya? 138. Sige, Kuya, may kaunting tip ako para sa'yo. May 1.5. Para sa kasipagan, para sa masarap na pagkain. Basta masarap talaga. Ha? Oh, wala naman. Gusto mo ng shoutout sa vlog?
Okay.
Sige, guys, may shoutout. Teka lang.
Shout out sa asawa ko.
Ayun! Simple lang, guys. Simple lang. Pero dapat ganyan yung shoutout. Kung may shoutout ka sa asawa muna. Sige, thank you, guys. That's so funny. The lady right next to him was like, sana all. Ah? Siguro isa lang.
Masarap.
Pwede ba? Anong pulutin natin?
Yung kwan, yung tumutan natin yung dinuguan.
Yeah, meron ba dito? Wala.
Yun o.
Ito, Red Horse ba ito? Nanay, pasensya nanay. Kasi masyadong ayaw niya sa alak.
Ang galing mo mag-Tagalog ah.
Ikaw rin, kuya. Ito guys, ako ang bahala sa susunod na Red Bull nyo. Or sa Red Horse nyo. Ako ang bahala sa susunod.
Ay,
Pati yung pulutan.
Salamat.
Basta kayo, ha?
Salamat.
Gusto nyo ng shoutout sa vlog?
Okay.
Guys, may shoutout. Anong shoutout? Sino ba yung gusto nyong batiin sa vlog? Ito. Gusto nyo ng sticker. May sticker ako. May sticker. At saka may sticker.
Shout out to Kuya Kurt.
Ayun!
Welcome to Panglao.
Ayan!
You guys, I hope na mo subscribe po sa kanyang
Kwan.
Mag-subscribe kayo. Thank you and welcome to Panglao.
Thank you guys.
Kuya
Punta kayo dito. Si Kuya ang bahala sa merienda nyo. Sige guys, thank you ha.
Salamat sa
Ingat kayo. Sige, thank you. Mr. Blogger Kuya Kurt. That's so fun, guys. I would love to make a lot more money than I do so that I can have, like, in an instance like that where there's like 30, 40 construction workers, I would love to pay for their meals because they're hardworking. If I have the ability to do so, bakit hindi? I think that'd be awesome. So hopefully we'll get the channel there one day, guys, where we can just start giving out big gifts to many, many people. I would love for that to happen. And that's because of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. A quickie but a goodie, that's what she said. Dito sa Panglao, Bohol, malapit sa Cebu. Ang daming mga dayuhan dito. Palagi nakakita ko yung mga iba't ibang dayuhan. Sikat talaga yung Bohol sa mga South Korean, di ba? Ang daming ng mga South Korean dito. Basta, musta kuya? Nagulat siya na nagtatagalog ako. Sige guys, mainit na, naiinitan ako. Babalik ako sa aircon. Sana nagugustuhan nyo itong vlog. Sana magkakita-kita tayo sa susunod na vlog. Hanggang sa panahon na yun, ako si Kuya Kurt, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama. Kita-kits.